Hi, welcome to COMPUTEX 2019 in Taipei. My name is Sherwin Sum, and I'm a representative for DFI. What we're representing here is a smart factory solution. Each one of these modules you're seeing here are the Qisda modules, and each one of them can act as a group of I/Os for your sensors. So it could be humidity, temperature, ultrasonic, or light sensors, communicating through the modules to a computer system. So what is Qisda? Qisda stands for Wireless Smart Utility Network. It is compliant to IEEE 802.15.4G, and it provides secure mesh network solution to smart network. In the mesh network, it composes individual modules. Each module has a communication distance range of 1 kilometer, and up to 300 nodes in the mesh network is available. For each module, it communicates to your I/O devices through the UART and or I2C. So what do you do after you collect the data from each one of these nodes? Well, the information is now converted into signal, transmitted through the Qisda into our EC800, where this device acts as the IoT edge computing node. For additional information on industrial automation or smart factory solutions, please contact us at www.dfi.com.